Cautious trading ahead of Fed decision, three major U.S. equity indices opened slightly higher, with tech leads gains, semiconductor and technology ETF rose. Meanwhile, energy ETF drop. Broadcom surge as continued optimism around AI chip demand. However, Marvell Technology slipped as Benchmark warned it may lose Amazon orders. Core drivers, rate cut expectations solidified, markets are fully pricing in a Fed rate cut in December. Attention now turns to the dot plot and hints on next year's rate path. Seasonality support, historical December strength and year-end positioning are attracting inflows. Dollar edges lower, euro to dollar rose, yen weakness persists, yen to dollar hovered near 155, as Japan's GDP contraction deepened the policy dilemma. Policy context, Fed caution, Barclays expects 2026 could become a pause year, with sticky inflation limiting the room for easing. BOJ rate hike pressure, weak November economy, watchers index and surging bond yields create a policy contradiction. Global sell-off intensifies, Japan government bond hit multi-year highs, as BOJ's December rate hike probability rose, sharper than expected GDP contraction triggered risk-off selling. In Europe, Germany also hit multi-year highs, as hawkish signals from ECB official. Copper sets new record, LME copper surge, Shanghai futures followed higher. Fundamental support, supply disruptions, the impact of Glencore's Chile mine accident continues. LME inventories fell. Demand boom, AI data center build-out and power grid upgrades support long-term demand. Tariff avoidance stocking further tightens spot supply. Gold steady, supported by central bank demand. China's gold reserves rose for the 13th consecutive month. Oil rebalances on mixed signals. OPEC plus compliance weakened, however, US rig count rose, adding supply pressure. Bitcoin rebounds, Ethereum follows, as Fed rate cut expectations lifted risk assets, but regulatory pressure persists. 7 Chinese associations jointly issued warnings about virtual currency risks. Today's focus, US-NY Fed one-year inflation expectations. Reserve Bank of Australia rate decision, Germany October trade balance, US NFIB Small Business Optimism Index, USJOLTS job openings. By Amillex.